How to disable the save option on Snapchat. Hey guys, let's get started. While there is no such direct option by which you can disable the save option, but here are two ways that you can apply. For the very first one, open Snapchat and go to the conversations. Then after select the person that you do not want to save the snaps, then go to the username. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner and go to chat and notification settings. Click on delete chats and select after viewing and make sure to toggle off keep snaps in chat option. Once this is done, the person cannot save your chat. Likewise, when you take a snap, make sure to tap on this icon which is on the side panel. Make sure the selected one is play once so the other person cannot replay and save the chats. So these are the two ways by which you can disable the save option. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.